Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate Food Network Go on Firestick. Easy setup, step by step clearly. To activate Food Network Go on your Firestick, start by powering on your device. Make sure your Firestick is connected to your TV and properly set up. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll to the search icon at the top left corner of the screen. Type Food Network Go in the search bar. Select the Food Network Go app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Food Network Go app. The app will prompt you to sign in or activate your account. If you already have a Food Network Go account, enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. To activate, look for the option that says Activate, usually on the login page. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Using a separate device, open a web browser. Go to the activation URL provided on the Firestick screen. Enter the activation code from your Firestick. Log in with your Food Network Go account credentials if prompted. After entering the activation code, click Submit or Activate. Return to your Firestick and wait for the app to confirm the activation. Once confirmed, you can start enjoying Food Network Go's content on your Firestick. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection. You can also visit the Food Network support page for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.